Today's Math on Your Own focuses on 6.2, which is using subtraction to regroup place value blocks to show your work. You're drawing them today, so we'll work on drawing them. You can also get them out and use the place value blocks themselves and then draw them underneath if you want. That might help. So now's a great time to pause the video and go over and grab those tens blocks and the ones blocks, the tens rods and the ones cubes, so you have them. Make sure you put your name at the top. Always a good place to start. Taking a look here. So it says subtract, draw place value blocks to show your work regroup if needed. So first thing you want to do is draw blocks. We need to draw 63. We're not drawing 2, because we're going to have 63 blocks. We're going to take 2 away. So we're going to cross 2 out, or possibly have to regroup them and then cross out. So 63. I'll just draw big, gigantic, tall ones. 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60. There's 60. 3, draw those cubes. 1, 2, 3. Okay. Now it's saying 63 minus 2. Well, 2. I'm not taking away 2 10s. It's got to be 20. Take away 2 1s. Cross 1 out. Cross 2 out. 1, 2. Now I can cross out 2. That's why I crossed them out. I was looking at that and say I have 3 1s. I can cross out 2 of them. I can't. I don't have to regroup. I have to regroup. Don't start crossing them out. So I don't have to regroup and use these squares above. I know that 63 minus 2 is equal to 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 61. 61. Or if I'm subtracting down the columns, 3 minus 2 is 1. 6 minus 0 is 6. First one's very easy. Softball. Take a look at the next 3. 10. They're all regrouping. Why? 1 minus 7. Can't do it. Can't take away 7 from 1. Can't take 9 away from 6. Can't take 6 away from 2. So you're going to have to regroup on all of these. So pay attention. Now, first thing, I would underline 91. Why? I would underline 66 and underline 52. You're not drawing 7 and 9 and 6. You're drawing 91, 66, and 52. That's what you're drawing, and then you're going to cross out. So 91, 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70, 80, 90. 1. Now, I know I can't take 7 away from this over here. I can't take 7 away. I have 1 of them. Can't take 7 away until I grab one of these 10s and trade it in for 10 1s. So I'm going to cross this out. That's gone. And I'm going to now have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Now I have 8. I don't have 9 anymore. So as soon as I cross this one out, I have to draw 10 over here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So there's 10 down here. And then there's 1 more, so there are 11. Why is that important? It's important because now that I had 1 right here, and I added 10 to it, so now I have 11. Now you can count up how much you have total in the 10s and 1s after you subtract 7 from 11. So I have 11 blocks in this 1s picture. I have to cross out 7. Don't forget to cross those out. If you don't, you're not going to have the correct answer. So 11 minus 7, let's cross out 7. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Great. So I had 9 10s. I crossed out 1 to regroup. Traded in for 10 1s. 10 1s plus 1 more is 11. 11, I crossed out 7. I have 1, 2, 3, 4 left. And I have 8 minus 0 is 8. Let's just double check. 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70, 80, 81, 82, 83, 84. Boom. So far, so good. I'll do one more. You're going to do number 7 on your own. Do a little algebra down here, and we'll flip on the back and do some problem solving. 66 minus 99. Why did I underline 66? Because I'm going to have to draw 66. I don't draw 9, I draw 66. 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Great. Now, I'm looking and I say, can't take 9 away from 6. I've got 6 here. I can't cross out 9 of them. I can't do it. negative integer. So to get more 1s over here, to make this possible, I have to trade or exchange one of my 10s in. So I don't have 6 anymore. I have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Great. And I draw 10 over here. As soon as I cross that, I draw 10. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Great. Wow. It's a lot over here. Once I draw 10 in here, you can see I have 10 plus 6 more. Well, 10 plus 6, 16. And if you're having to count that, you're going to have to get that in your brain and say, well, 10 plus 6 more is just 6 on top of it is 16. So I have 16 over here now. 16 ones. Now I'm not done. I still have to cross out 9. Don't forget about this. I have to take away 9. I have 16 ones. I have 5 10s. Great. I have that covered. But that's not my answer. I have to subtract 16 minus 9. Let's cross out 9. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Now, how many are left? 16 minus 9. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. How many 10s are left? 5 minus 0 is 10, 20, 30, 40, 50. 50. Not 5, 0. 5 10s. 57. So, over here, draw your 52. Regroup. Cross out your 5. Make it 4. Put 10 ones, draw 10 more 1s over here. Subtract it down. You have to do 7 on your own. Down at the bottom it says, what numbers will complete the subtraction equations? This is a pretty simple concept in algebra. If you have a negative 8 by itself on one side, right here, just add 8. Add 8 to this side. Add 8 to this side. This gets rid of this 8. 8 plus negative 8 plus positive 8 is 0. 17 plus 5. What's 17? 17 plus 8. What is 17 plus 8? 25. So 25 minus 8 is 17. That's algebra. Down here, you're figuring out 34 and you're going to hop to 29. Open number line helps, or 100, sure, it's fine. So I'm going from 29 to 34. Figuring out how many are between those two numbers. 29 plus 1 is 30, and then 30 to 34 is plus 4. Plus 1 plus 4 is plus 5. So if I take 5 away, I've got my answer. So I helped you out with that one down at the bottom on the algebra, which is sometimes a little tricky. On the back, there are 23 students playing tag, 9 students go home. How many are still playing tag? It's going to be still playing tag. 23 minus 9. Same item you did on the front. Draw your 29, and I would draw it down here. Draw your picture. 10, 20, 23, 1, 2, 3. You're going to have to regroup. Add some pictures to it. Solve this equation. Same over here. 67 books on the shelf. Dion takes 5 of them. How many are left? Are left. Subtraction, takeaway, minus. That's your key words. 67, it's very crucial to stack these in columns. 67 minus 5. If you put the 5 over here, it'd be 5 10s. It needs to be 5 1s. This is nice. Why? Because 7 minus 5, it doesn't require regrouping. You can just draw 60 and 7 and take 5 away and you're done. Easy, easy, easy. This is a little thinking now, applying the skills you've learned on the front and in the back to see if it's right or wrong. What mistake did Elia make when she subtracted 72 minus 4? Well, let's look. 72 minus 4. She's got 2 minus 4 is 2. Well, you can't do that. It can't be 4 minus 2 is 2. Got to draw your picture down here of 72. 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70. 1, 2. You can't subtract 4 from 2. You can't do it. So, what do? Cross out my 7. I'm going to grab 1 10 from it. Now I have 6 10s. Cross 1 out. And I draw 10 over here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So now I have 2 plus 10, which is 12. Now I can subtract down 12 minus 4. Now, if you look here, it's 2 minus 4 is 2. Well, that doesn't make any sense. 12 minus 4 is what number? You write it in, and then 6 minus 0 is what number? And then explain it. This is what mistake did she make? What did she not do? She did not, and then fill that in for me. What didn't she do? So you solve this, and then you explain here what she did not do. You draw place value blocks to model each subtraction. What would you regroup to show the difference, yes or no? I want to figure out regrouping. Stack them, every one of them. It's 29 minus 3. 9 minus 3, can I do it? Yes, I can do it, but yes doesn't mean that we have to regroup. Yes means that I can subtract it, so I do not need to regroup. So that's a no, I don't need to regroup. I can do 9 minus 3. So be careful, because it would think that for regrouping, you would say, yes, you regroup. Well, no, it says, would you regroup? Yes or no? No, I would not regroup because I can do 9 minus 3. So go ahead and stack all these, and you figure out if you have to regroup or not. Look at the ones digit. Look at the ones digit and figure out, yes, I'm regrouping, or no, I'm not regrouping. That's today's math on your own. Get done, make sure you turn in, please. Any questions, come see me.